Telegram downloaded file not showing on iPhone. If you've been facing issue where Telegram downloaded photos or videos aren't showing in your iPhone's gallery, don't worry, in today's video I'll show you how to fix it. Now, first things first, what you need to do is make sure you're connected to Wi-Fi. Your Wi-Fi network or mobile data needs to be stable to simply save the Telegram photos and videos to your camera roll. Now, if you have proper Wi-Fi connection, let's check iPhone's privacy settings. If Telegram is set up correctly and media is not showing up, it's time to check your iPhone's privacy settings. Go to settings, then tap on privacy and select photos. Now, make sure Telegram is allowed to access your photo. If it's set to never or selected photos, change it to all photos like this. Click on full access. Now, another potential issue could be iCloud settings. If iCloud photo is turned on, your photos might not show right away or could be syncing. Just tap on your name and select iCloud and then tap on photos. Make sure iCloud photos is turned on. This ensures your phone's photos are syncing across devices. If it's off, your downloaded media may not appear in your gallery immediately. Sometimes a simple restart can solve the issue. If you've tried all the steps and your media still isn't showing up, go ahead and restart your phone. And there you go. Those are the steps to fix the issue of Telegram downloaded files not showing up on your iPhone.